Today, we would like to present patient appointment booking within Holbie. Similar to patient-submitted verification forms, you may also choose to allow patients to direct book or request an appointment within Holbie. Holbie allows for direct or request appointments using a provided URL or embedded HTML code, which may be distributed from your website or other online services. In this video, we will demonstrate the use of the direct appointment link to simulate patient entry and the resulting workflow for the provider to monitor the appointment process. Here, we have opened a shareable link specific to this demonstration practice for the direct appointment entry. The form, which your patients will see, consists of the calendar on the left side and available time slots for the day specified on the right. Click on a desired day within the calendar view, resulting in a reload of the available time slots for the specified day on the right. Notice the gap in the time slots for this day. Slots already occupied on the provider calendar will not be displayed, allowing the patient to choose from only available time slots. You may navigate forward or backward through the calendar month using the controls at the top of the calendar window next to the month label. To begin, choose a desired date and then select a time slot on the far right. After choosing the time slot, the patient will be prompted to complete appointment details, including the practice and facility they wish to visit. It is important to note that the practice and facility selections only apply to instances where the organization includes multiple practices or facilities from which to choose. The practice may choose a configuration allowing separate links for each practice, simplifying the choice presented to the patient, or allow the patient to choose from a list of available practices or facilities accordingly. A quick example of a simplified entry without the practice selection, defaulting to only one specified practice, would be in this example. No practice is specified. The practice is established by the website and the link provided. The patient is only requested to choose from the facilities. To complete the appointment, enter the details including name, date of birth, phone number, and email. Important note, phone number and email are required fields. Confirmation of the appointment booking will be sent via text and email to the patient confirming the appointment. Additionally, reminders will be sent out 1 week, 1 day, and 1 hour prior to the scheduled appointment. The patient now has the option to change the time slot chosen or complete the booking using the book slot option on the left. The system will acknowledge the receipt of the appointment on screen and reset the calendar controls. The appointment process or entry process is now complete. The patient will receive the text and email confirming the appointment, date and time. Next, we will review the provider's view of the scheduled appointment within Holbie. Beginning from the home screen, locate the option for Calendar. The scheduler view will display the provider schedule in calendar form. Note the appointment on the date we just completed. For direct booking appointments, the provider may now edit the appointment or change the date and time as needed, or cancel if desired by simply clicking the appointment label. Any changes made to the appointment or cancellations will result in a text and email sent to the patient indicating the change in the appointment. Part of the daily workflow will involve the provider working with incoming patients from the appointment list located on the left side. Upon arrival, the patient must be validated and recorded as an established patient within Holbie to complete further workflow, such as entry of SOAP notes, documents, or superbill records. First, patients may be located within the appointment list using the grid quick search option, located here above the action column, or the advanced search functions located above by pressing the plus to expand the available options. Tips: providers may choose to set the advanced filter specific to the day of arrival and work the list of appointments throughout the day. This makes navigation of the patients throughout the day convenient using a short list. In this example, we will search by selecting the 21st and apply, and search, showing just the results for the day specified. Here we see the appointment for Harry Brown entered for 10 a.m. As part of the check-in process, we now need to locate the Add to Patients action icon on the far right column. Click on the Add to Patients option. The user is then presented with a patient matching dialog highlighting any potential patient record matches that may already exist in Holbie. If a record did exist here, you may simply select and associate the patient with an existing record. In this case, no available data was found matching this particular patient record. If the patient is new and there are no existing matches, then proceed to complete the New Patient Entry dialog using the New Patient button on the left side. Here, the information entered from the patient will be displayed, and we will complete additional information provided directly from the patient while in the office. Now that we've completed the remainder of this New Patient dialog, we can simply click on Submit to complete the patient entry. Now that we've returned to the appointment list, we now see available actions consistent with other workflows within Holbie, converting to superbill, converting to a SOAP note, etc. Please note it's important to avoid creating duplicate patient records in the system. This may create problems in billing later, and is always best to attempt to match existing patients for clean record keeping when possible. Once the patient record is established within Holbie, the available actions for this particular appointment entry will change to the normal workflow actions. Users may now complete verification, SOAP notes, and superbills directly from the now linked appointment record without further searches for the current patient. This concludes the demonstration for patient appointment direct entry.